Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing another home haul of some of the things I've bought over the month. So again, these are from Kmart, Target, Big W, Adairs and the Reject Shop. So if you like this sort of stuff, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you do enjoy it, and subscribe if you're new here because I'd love to have you. And let's jump into today's video. So to be honest, there's not a great deal of stuff today, but I thought I would share it with you today anyway because obviously Mother's Day is coming along and I think that there's some of these would make really good gifts. So I might just start off with the Kmart one. So this is one of the products that I bought from Kmart. It's something that they have had for a very, very long time, and I have had these in my fridge since I did my fridge organization video. If you guys have seen it, I will link it in the description box below. But what I love about these is my glass containers, which are also from Kmart, fit in these absolutely perfectly. And I did get two sizes, so I got this one and I got the like square one, which is a bit deeper, and I regret not buying all this size because these fit my containers perfect, and it just obviously suits my lifestyle a lot more. So I'm just going to go and switch these up at some stage, and I will do a video where I'm just going to reorganize like each little part of my house of things that haven't been working, so definitely keep your eyes out for that one. But yeah, this will probably be part of it as well. I've just got to get labels and stuff ordered for that video as well because I got rid of my Cricut machine. So yeah, anyway, that's that one. So that's Kmart. The next product I got was, I haven't even unwrapped it yet, which is this vintage wash linen. It is a bed organizer, a bedside organizer. So if you don't have a bedside table, or your bedside table is like mine and you know you have something set up in there, but then you always end up putting stuff on top, it sort of ends up becoming a junk drawer. So if you're anything like me, then you probably could do with something like this if you don't have enough room in your bedside table just to keep things organized. So I'm going to open it up for you, and this is just basically what it looks like. So you can get them with deeper pockets, but this is, sorry, you can get ones with shallower pockets. This one is the deeper pocket one. So you can see it's got one big one in there, and then you've also got some smaller ones in the front there. So you've got 4 smaller ones. So these ones here would be perfect for like your mobile phone, or you know, like hand creams, stuff like that you might have in the bedside table, pocket tissues, you know, Vicks, all that sort of thing. Sometimes you get all these extra little bits and pieces, you know, when you're sick and stuff like that, like what I've been. So yeah, this is perfect. And this bit here goes underneath your mattress, and then this bit here just sits on the side of your bed there. So they did have these in a couple of different colours if you're interested, and then they've got these in, as I said, the shallower pockets, which I believe were marketed more for the kids' beds as well. So perfect for like, you know, books and iPads and all that sort of thing that kids might have in their bedrooms as well if they don't have it, again, a bedside table, or even if they're on a bunk bed as well, these would be absolutely perfect. This one is the next product that I've got. I'm hoping that you can see it very well. This one is called the Heineken plant. This one here was also from Adairs. So Adairs had a 40% off Linen Lovers Club thing. I don't normally buy plants when they're at full price. I always wait for them to have their Linen Lovers because they are very expensive. But you can see like how real like the actual plant looks itself. Like, I think that looks pretty real. It's more the stem that doesn't look as real, but yeah, the actual greenery on it looks super real. And yeah, basically, as I said, they're very, very pricey. So, you know, waiting till they come on sale and then snatching it up. And they're one of those things that you can put in the corner of a home that is like a, you know, it's a bit boring and it looks much better. So if you're not good at looking after real plants, or you just don't have the lightage in your house, then this is absolutely perfect. So as I said, it's called the Heineken. I do have another one in my living area as well, which I'll probably just show you a little clip of that as well if you want to have a look. But that was also from Adairs, but I do believe that they look pretty real. Otherwise I wouldn't buy them. If it doesn't look real, I won't buy it. So that was that from Adairs. And then I also got another pillowcase for Talia, which is this one here. It's got a big price sticker over the top, so it's hard to see. I might just take it out of its packaging. But yes, it's got adventure, spirit and strength written on it. I like to have extra pillowcases because they're like the parts that get really dirty quickest. That cute. If you got a little fairy princess in your home, and then it's got these princesses here. It's even got Brave on there. That's pretty cool. She hasn't got Brave, but yeah, I thought that was another pretty cool purchase for $10. So the next one here is, it's a very random, but I had seen these on like, I don't know if it was like on Instagram or YouTube or where, it's on social media of some sort, but I saw these stamps. So this is the stamp itself. It's looks a bit weird, but basically when you get something in the mail that is private, say like you know, bank statements or something like that, and you usually shred it, then this here is like an alternative to a shredder. So you just like, here's the writing and you just go over it, and it's meant to like block out any of the writing, so then you can put it straight in the bin. My shredder did pack it in and I haven't replaced it yet, and I ended up just buying one of these. I might end up getting a shredder, or I might just, you know, take my items to be shredded if I've got lots, but otherwise I think this is just a great little tool to have that you can just pull out of a drawer as soon as your mail comes in, you know, deal with it and then put your mail straight into the bin rather than letting it accumulate. And you can get refills for these. This one here was from eBay, but I do believe they are available at Australia Post as well if you're interested. The next item I bought for organising as well. These are from the Reject Shop, and these are just literally pencil cases. So you've probably seen people use these for puzzles and stuff like that. If you guys have been watching my channel, you know that I use Ziploc bags, but they do break, and I was saying that there would be a better alternative. And because these are transparent, I think that these would be a great alternative. They're just like a PVC, so they're really strong, and then they've got like just the normal zipper. I'm not going to use them for my puzzles. I am going to use it for something else. So I'm deciding whether I'm going to use it for what purpose I'm using it for, because I got two ideas. But yeah, it depends. I might just use it for the second idea, but you'll see that in a video of my organising stuff. So make sure that you're subscribed and your notifications on, because I do pretty much do most of stuff is like organising type content. Okay, so this one here is something that I bought for a Mother's Day gift, but it's more a gift for my daughter, I suppose. A gift from me to her to give to my daughter. It's very random, you'll see it. So this is it. It's called A Grandmother's Life. These were only, I believe, $10 from Target, and they also had A Grandfather's Life. You can see I'm going to give one to each of my my parents, and I just love it. Like, it's got things about adulthood, and then like just little things like what did you learn about yourself and your capabilities when you entered the workforce? What responsibilities were you not prepared for when you grew up? Describe a day that you would love to recreate and why. So that's just like adulthood, but it goes through, see if I can find the part in the front of the book. It has childhood, it's got adulthood, parent and marriage, and then it's got adolescence as well. So I think I look at this and I say, you know, my 11-year-old niece would love to read about my parents' childhood. She'd be probably interested in all those little things, but wouldn't be interested in the adult things. So I think that I would love them to fill this in. It's a massive book. I can't expect them to fill the whole thing in, but maybe they can scan through the pages of things that they know and they feel that they'd love to pass on to my daughter. And I think this would be such a beautiful keepsake, and it would be such a good family heirloom as well to pass on to future generations. And the other one I got was very similar. This one here was from Big W, and this is My School Year's Journal. So you've probably seen these. This was literally only $6, and you can write in it. So it's got from before school starts to year 12, now that school's finished, and then you've got a height chart in here, and then you've got like, you can put photos and stuff like that in it. Just things like I'm excited about the next 3 years, because 3 things that I'd like to learn this year, 3 people I'm looking forward to seeing at my school, and then the most things I'm looking forward to this year. And it's got like lots of little prompts that you can have for year to year, and I think that this is another like really good keepsake item that Talia can keep for years and years to come. So I'm actually going to put this in with her school stuff, so I'm going to make like a little school pack for when she starts school, and I'm going to add this to the school pack. So I think that this would be really cute, and as I said, like a really good sentimental heirloom that she can keep for years and years to come. So guys, that pretty much wraps it up for today. And I hope you've really enjoyed today's video, and definitely come and check out some of my other videos if you're new here. I do home organising, decorating and cleaning, and if you do want to see more from me, I do have a Facebook and an Instagram page where you can catch me on throughout the week, and I will see you guys next week with a new video. I'll see you then. Bye.